A homeless man sat on the sidewalk on a cold winter morning. His clothes were thin and the wind was sharp. He pulled his jacket tight around his body, but it was not enough. His hands were shaking from the cold. People walked past him, moving quickly on their way to work, school, or home. Some glanced at him for a moment. Most did not look at him at all. The man lowered his head and tried to stay warm. His fingers felt numb. He wished he had gloves, but he had no money to buy any. He let out a quiet breath and closed his eyes. The world felt big and far away. A few minutes later, he heard footsteps slowing down. Someone stopped near him. The man did not look up right away. He expected the person to walk away again. But instead, something soft touched the ground beside him. He slowly lifted his head. A passerby was standing there. The person did not speak. They simply placed a warm pair of gloves on the ground next to him. The gloves looked new and thick, perfect for winter. The passerby gave him a small smile, then continued walking without saying a single word. The homeless man stared at the gloves in surprise. His eyes filled with tears. He picked them up with shaking hands and put them on. They were warm, very warm. For the first time that day, he felt a little bit of comfort. He looked down the street where the passerby had gone. He whispered, "Thank you," even though they could not hear him. He learned something in that moment. Kindness does not always need big actions or loud words. Sometimes, even a silent gift can make someone feel seen, cared for, and less alone.